Hey everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix too many requests. Please try again later on Genshin Impact. So first thing you need to do is check your internet speed, because if you have low internet speed, then that's the reason maybe why you are getting this error. So to check your internet speed, first open any web browser, then search speed test and click on run speed test. It will show you the speed of your internet. So if you have internet speed below 1 megabytes per second, that's mean you need to change your internet connection or switch to another internet provider so you can get stable internet speed. So if you have good internet speed and you are still facing this issue, then next thing you can do is go to Play Store and just simply update Genshin Impact if there are any updates available. So this will fix all the issues and the error. And the last thing you can do is just hold on this Genshin Impact icon and click on this info icon. Then simply go to storage option and click this clear all data button and click OK. Then you need to enter all your details, login details. So, and after doing all of this, I am sure you will fix this problem. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, please like this video and subscribe to my YouTube channel.